When you picture an ultrasound, you usually think of capturing images during pregnancy. But according to a team of researchers from the University of Rochester, it can do much more.
That's right. Ultrasounds, they say, can also help build and create new blood vessels in the body. Liam Healy spent the day in the lab learning more about how this process works. Liam.
Yeah, that's right, Adam, Teresa, and it's all in the name. Ultrasounds use acoustic waves to help create the images you see on the screen during the procedure. Those same waves, if tuned properly, can also take cells and arrange them in specific patterns. And if you use the right type of cells, the process can produce blood vessels and tissue. Dr. Diane Delecki, one of the lead scientists on the project and a professor of biomedical engineering, explains the process a bit further.
In this technique, we harnessed some of the acoustic fields in the sound field called acoustic radiation forces, and we use these forces to spatially move cells in a tissue or material.
That includes types like capillaries or microvessels, up to even arteries, so the right combination of cells are present, according to Dr. Denise Hawking, a professor of pharmacology and physiology and another lead scientist in the project.
So for blood vessels, they're typically on the outside, they're covered with smooth muscle cells. If we take and simply pattern together smooth muscle cells and endothelial cells, we can be smooth muscle cells know to move to the outside, endothelial cells to the inside to form a more complex blood vessel.
Part of the research also includes utilizing cells from other sources than just stem cells, too.
The downside of using stem cells is it requires harvesting those cells and then propagating those cells in culture for quite some time before then reimplanting them. What we would like to do is to harvest not only stem cells, but endothelial cells and other cell types right from fat.
As of now, they mainly focus on experiments in vials in the lab and in mice, but they do plan on going further soon.
So our goal in this next phase is to actually inject hydrogels and cells right at the site where the blood vessels are needed, do the acoustic patterning site specifically, and produce microvessel networks right in the body.
Now, this current work, which will help them to reach the goal mentioned just a second ago, is funded by a new $2 million grant from the National Institute of Health. The project is expected to run for about 4 years, and Professor Hawking's words, they expect to make significant strides in this technology.